Okay, so we are going to a water park today.
Mountain Creek Water Park.
Yup, in Vernon.
Jersey.
I heard it was really good, so I'm hoping that it's good. They have like cliff jumping and everything.
That YouTuber went. Casey.
Yeah, Casey Neistat went.
So it has to be good.
Okay, so we just went to a coffee shop.
Like the best one I've ever been to, actually.
Yeah. And I got cake batter coffee. Haley got blueberry waffle. And this lady was so funny. Do you think she was gay? She wore a lot of pride stuff.
She had a lot of pride stuff, so she definitely is a very good ally if she's not gay.
Yeah. Anyway, she was like the sweetest lady, telling us all kinds of stories of like the town tea and everything. It was great.
And it tastes so good.
It tastes so good.
And like, I wish it was in Philly. It's gonna be our summer coffee shop, but I wish it was like our forever coffee shop. It's so good.
It is really good.
But if you're ever in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, you need to go to 7th Street Coffee.
Yeah. Why are we spinning? Oh!
About to go on this bomb's way. It's like an 8-foot drop. Didn't tell her before, but it hurt my ears. It's like actually hurts when you hit the water. Ooh, she did a little shoulder drop. Good job, baby. I love you. Lauren is gonna cliff jump. Here goes Haley. Oh boy. Actually, I have been on a tree lift in Colorado. It's so pretty. It's actually so pretty.
But like, what is it like at a water park with your scary mask?
She
7-year-old
wants to do
boy.
everything and then she complains that it hurts. Behind me.
To the thrift shop we go. Thrift shopping.
112 800 805 0112.
We are now, yeah, going to the all-you-can-eat place because it's just so good. It's so good. And also, we're very hungry and we're also very tired. I'm a little bit sun-kissed, but still good.
Did you vlog our thrift store journey?
I vlogged in the thrift store. Oh no!
What?
What is that?
Conditioner?
Soap. The best spot to eat. Hands down. Okay, so check out these bowls. So these bowls are $1 each. These are like, I don't even know how to say that in German, but they're made in Germany. So I was like, okay, let me just hop online real quick and see how much they are online. And these are $40 a piece for the same brand. At the Max. Also, look at how cute my girlfriend is with glasses. She's so cute.
These are a few years old. I can't see very clear.
She said they're blurry. Like, what? We're now at the lovely Target. Retail therapy, check. She's so cute with her glasses.